So lesson 1, what is affiliate marketing? It's for the people who don't know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when we don't own a product. We are not the product creator. We just promote someone else's product, and when we get a sale, we get commission from it, right? Commission goes up to 75 to 90% in some cases. So that's affiliate marketing in simple terms, wherein you're not the owner of the product, you're not the product creator, you're just promoting someone else's product and you get commission on each sale. Okay, as simple as this. Clickbank is like Amazon. Amazon is a marketplace for physical products. If you need any physical product, you need a mobile or laptop or anything, you go to Amazon and you can purchase it. The same way, Clickbank is a very popular marketplace for digital products, info products. All right, over 20,000 products are already listed in Clickbanks, and over 95% products are digital products. So first thing first, if you are new into affiliate marketing or Clickbank, you have to start with account creation. It's just a matter of 2 minutes. Let's do it. So simply go to clickbank.com and click on create account. It will ask for some info, personal information, banking information, and all the details. You just fill up all the details. It's quite simple. It would hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to create Clickbank accounts. Once you've created the account, you just have to log in. Just click on login after creating the account, fill in your details, and you'll reach at this screen. It's my test account. I'll use this test account for this training. I have a suggestion for you. While creating a Clickbank account, Clickbank will ask you to create a user ID. Okay, a unique user ID for you. So avoid using your name, your family member's name, or any company's name as a user ID, because this user ID will be shown in the URL, product URL, and that doesn't look good then, and it can affect your sale as well. So choose any random ID. If a buyer sees your name or your company's name or anything which is not related to the product, it seems like fishy or something scam or anything, and it can hamper your sales. So choose any random ID which can be considered as a part of a URL, product URL, any numbers or any combination of numbers or letters. So this can increase your sales, right? Or at least would not hamper your sales. So that's a tip for you. Now let's understand the marketplace first. When you log into Clickbank, there's a button just above dashboard. The button marketplace is there. Click on it and it will take you to the marketplace. As you can see, so many categories are listed here. Art and entertainment, casinos, TV, betting system, business investing, computers, cooking, e-business, e-marketing, education, fiction, games, and so on. Many categories are there, and each of the category is having subcategories under it. We check for health and fitness, and so many products are listed there. Okay, these are the subcategories. Let's understand the numbers, the details out here. You can sort it by popularity, average sale. I tell you about all this. Gravity, I prefer sorting it by gravity. Gravity gives me an idea of how many people, like for this product, gravity is 247. So it shows that these many people made commission out of this product, selling this product in the last 30 days. So the higher the gravity, better the product is. It shows me that so many people are selling this product, promoting this product. That means the money is there. The product is sellable and I can too sell it. Okay. But in the direct linking method, the criteria is entirely different. This is for email marketing method. I'll tell you about that too. So Let's understand the numbers first. This is about the product. If you click on it, it will take you to the product page, product sales page. How to analyze the sales page, I'll tell you later in the upcoming lessons. It will show you the entire details about the product. Okay, this is a video sales page only, just a video is there. Now this type of product is not good for direct linking. I'll tell you the reason. Some details are there for you, basic details. This is the affiliate page wherein you can get all the affiliate tools, banners, email swipes and all, which can help you promoting the product. And this is the average sale price. This is the initial sale price. This is the commission you get on each sales, $20.94. And as you can see, this numbers and this number is different. And why is this? Because this product has an upsell. When any buyer purchases this product, the vendor will show him the some other related products which can enhance the benefit of the initial product what is just purchased. So the buyer can go for that product too, and if he goes for that product, I'll get the commission on that product as well. So it's good for me. So if the numbers are different, it shows me that the product has an upsell, right? Average percentage of sale to 82, average rebill. Okay, this double arrow mark, this is for rebill. It reflects that the product has a rebill pattern wherein the buyer has to pay every month for the product, and I'll get commission on this product from the same buyer every month. Okay, this double arrow is for recurring billing. And you can filter the products by the language. I choose English only. I can choose the product for just one-time payment and not recurring. I can choose a trial products, $1 trial, okay, wherein the person can pay $1 and try the product, and if he likes it, he can continue with the same. I can only choose the recurring products. I can only choose the one-time payment products. It's now showing me the one-time payments products. And now you can see the numbers are same, 35.56, 30.556. That means this product doesn't have an upsell. Okay, that's why the numbers are same, and it's a one-time payment. Now you can, these are the more attributes. You can filter the products which have the affiliate tools page. For creating the link for this product, you just need to click on promote, and click on create, and the link is there. This is your affiliate link what you need to promote, and this is a link for embedding the banner or link on any website if you have. I hope the basic details are clear. I'll just show you the affiliate tool page. 75 to 100% commission levels starts from 75% commission. So you get 75% commission on each sale, and as you get more and more sale, your commission percentage will be higher. $100 cash bonus to all new affiliates. Some criteria must be there. $200 per sale to be earned. Why? Just because of upsell. The potential of earning $200 per sale is there just because of the upsell, whereas the initial commission is close to $21, but the potential per person is $200. Some rewards and recognitions are there. 100,000 cash prizes and giveaway and all this stuff. You have to meet the criteria for that. You have to compete for that. So you can click here to get started. You will get all the banners, all the email swipes and everything. You can ask for any help you want from the vendor. They can guide you. First of all, you just have to choose a category, choose a niche, and I suggest you to choose a niche based on your interest or your knowledge. You can choose any random niche. The best performing niche are I just show you health, make money, and self-help. But these are very competitive niche. Competition is there. You have to compete with so many big affiliates. So these are the most happening niches. But I suggest you to decide as per your interest. It could be anything, any niche. You can sell any product. But if you have the knowledge of that product, if you have interest in that product, you can sell it in a better way. You would be knowing what you are selling, right? So your first task is create an account and choose your niche. And once you are done with that, we'll identify the product for direct linking method in the next lesson.